Hi, my name is Grace, and we have been learning English since we were in elementary school. So I bet everyone has asked this question to their parents or teachers. It is, why do we need to learn a second language which we barely use it in our life? And that question has been in my brain for a long time. And since I have chosen apply for a language as my major while studying university, today I'm going to share about 3 reasons of why do we need to learn a second language. And that is, become a polyglot, boost your confidence, and deepen your connection to other cultures. So let's get started with the first one. Become a polyglot. The research shows that when learning a second language makes picking up additional languages a much easier feat. That is because when you learning a new language, you develop a new brain network, which is ready when you're learning a third language. Then let's look about the second one, boost your confidence. When you're learning a new language, it means putting yourself out there and moving out of your comfort zones. And I know taking an adventure might sound difficult and dangerous, but after you advance it and achieve the goals, you may feel that a sense of the compliment will make you feel that everything you did is worth it. And now you know the first and the second reasons of why do we need to learn a second language. Last but not least, deepen your connection to other cultures. Language is the most direct connection to different cultures. In communicating other language fosters an appreciation of tradition, religions, art, and history of people associated with the language. And in my opinion, the world is too huge that it would be such a pity if you just live in your country for whole life. And if you ever have a doubt of why do we need to learn a language which we barely use it in our life, or why don't we just talk and learn our mother tongue? Think about becoming a fantastic person who can speak more than 2 languages or 10 more confidence. And the best part of me is to comprehend other cultures around the world. While the world is changing, it is necessary to let yourself connect with people in other cultures. At the time, if you are good at the second language, you can be more comfortable in the conversation. So the benefits of learning a second language is much more than 3. And that is my presentation of why do we need to learn a second language. Thanks for your patience and thanks for your listening.